white beard, black pants. He's grabbing his mom.
Where's he at? Where's he at?
This video shows the shocking shooting of the uncle of the bride during a wedding reception. In February of 2022, police received a call about a man harassing guests at a reception that was taking place at the Winter Park Event Center. The man turned out to be the uncle of the bride, 39-year-old Daniel Knight. The caller informed police that Knight was trying to hit guests and was grabbing them by their necks. One of them was an elderly woman. When the police arrived, Knight was yelling while several people attempted to calm him down. When the police stepped in, Knight became even more upset.
He's okay. He's okay. He's our brother. He's our brother.
Man, that bitch ain't got nothing to do with me.
It's his first wedding.
Shut up.
Back up.
As the police arrive on the scene, Knight can be heard yelling. When the officers approach him, a woman steps in and says that she is Knight's sister. She explains that this is his first wedding, although it is unclear why this should be an excuse for his actions.
Wedding. It's his
Back
first
up.
wedding.
Shut up.
Listen,
Back
it's his
up.
first wedding.
Back up.
Man, Trina.
Back up.
Don't let that
Move out of the way. Move out of the way.
Step away.
Move out of the way. Move out of the way. Man, move out of the way.
He doesn't have any weapons.
Move out of the way. Move out of the way.
He doesn't have any
Wait,
weapons.
Come here for a second. Come here. Come here. Come here.
Please.
Come here.
Don't you snatch my motherfucking sister.
Danny.
Get away from me. That motherfucker ain't got no weapon now. Step back.
Back up. Back up.
You touch my sister.
Back up. Back up. Back up. Back up.
PTSD is mentioned, but Knight's sister refuses to move away so the officer can try to calm Knight down. Knight gets more upset, and he grabs his sister. And although the camera shifts and the pair are no longer centered for the camera, it looks as if Knight is being rough.
Back up. Hold on. Gotcha. Hold on. Back up. What's up, man? What's up? Talk to me. Okay. Hey, talk to me.
Knight has struck an officer, and the punch is enough that he goes down. This has become not only a serious offense, but a dangerous situation. Anytime an officer is down, there's a chance his weapon can be taken. Knight has just made himself a threat.
I'm all right. Hold on. No, I'm all right. No. Let me stay here. Let me stay here.
All right, you good?
No, I'm okay. I'm all right.
Sit. Go back up. Get some water? Huh? Need some water?
No, I'm all right.
Okay, give me a napkin, man.
shit.
Give me a napkin.
Hold on a second.
Get a call.
No. I'm all right.
Make a call, man.
All right, man.
Back up here.
No, back up. It's coming. No, I'm all right.
All right. You used to be a law enforcement officer.
All right. I'm okay. I'm all right.
I'm just making sure. Let me help you up.
Oh, shit. I'm all right.
What happened? He struck him.
What happened? I'm all right. I'm okay. I'm all right. D. I'm all right. What happened? Hey. What happened? The guy knocked me out, man. Knocked me out. Sit down. Everybody back up. Hey, back up.
The screams from the guests are disorienting, and the officer struggles to find out what happened while he was unconscious. There are too many people moving around for him to get a clear picture, and so far, he hasn't seen Knight.
Back up. Sit down. Do something now. Do something. Get back. Back up. up, back up, back up, back up. Oh yeah. She's a nurse. 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 I'm not shot. I got knocked out. Yeah, I'm alright.
No. I'm taking him to the hospital. I'm taking him to the hospital.
Are you okay, Chris?
I'm alright. I'm alright, man.
Take him to the hospital.
No, I'm okay.
I'm taking him to the hospital. Come on,
I'm okay, man. I'm alright. No, I'm not shot.
I'm taking him to the hospital.
He just knocked me out. That's all. He just knocked me out. I'm alright.
No. Quick.
Oh, fuck.
Let's go.
He cocked me, man. Damn. No, I gotta stay with y'all, man. I gotta stay with y'all.
I'm taking you to the hospital.
I gotta stay with y'all, man.
To the hospital.
Oh shit, man.
Let them check you.
The officer is being taken away to get medical attention. Although he fights against it, he feels as if he should stay on the scene.
Oh, damn. All right.
I'm taking him to the hospital. I'm taking him to the hospital. Sarge shot somebody. Go help them out with cough control.
You okay? Yeah, I'm all right.
All right.
You sure? I'm just taking him just in case.
You been hit by anything?
Sarge said
The dude hit me, man.
Hit you with something?
He punched me out, man. He punched me out.
Okay.
No. You're going in the front.
You need to make sure he's okay. I know this. I'm working. All right.
I'm just gonna run right to Lake Mount.
Can you breathe?
Yeah, I can breathe, man.
Okay, just be a little dizzy, right?
Yeah.
You're gonna be okay though.
He doesn't know.
Okay.
No. Go. Hurry up. We'll get there.
Fuck.
Get your feet in. Get your feet in.
Oh, fuck.
Get your feet in.
Hey, we gotta stay here, bro.
No. Get your in, bro.
Seriously, bro.
You don't know what happened.
We gotta stay here, man. Seriously, please.
No.
Please. No. We gotta stay here, man.
Sarge said we're good to take you to the hospital.
We gotta stay here, bro. Please.
Were you shot?
No, I wasn't shot.
How do you know that? Did you hear a bang?
No. He punched me out. The dude punched me out. He knocked me out.
Okay.
He knocked me out. Oh shit,
man. Can you breathe?
Yeah, I can breathe.
Does it hurt anywhere?
Nah, just my head.
Just your head. Where did he hit you?
He punched me in the face.
In the face.
Let me look.
Let me get a flashlight. Go ahead.
Shit.
Someone give me an update.
Ah, damn.
We got a pulse breathing.
Oh man.
Let me see.
Hey, he just
knocked you out.
Yeah, he just knocked me out,
no
man.
holes.
No, I ain't got no holes
You're not
on
bleeding.
me.
All right, let's go help him.
All right, yeah. All right. Ah, fuck.
By the entrance.
Cause we're gonna need crowd control.
Wait. Catch your breath.
All right.
Are we here? What's today's date?
Yeah, today's the 20th.
The 20th.
Yeah. No, the day's, well, if it's after midnight, what time is it?
It's the 19th. Okay.
Yeah.
Are you good?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good.
Is there any specific place you need me?
All right. Thanks, Mike.
Good though.
Yeah. We.
Yes, keep a clear channel, please. When coming in, please clear channel.
All right.
You got your bearings straight.
Yeah.
You good? You back?
Yeah, I'm good. Yeah, we
right.
need to stay here. Cause this is gonna be crazy. Oh Lord. All right.
Oh my God, man, they shot him 4 times. Right. They allowed one person to check his pulse. One person. Why don't they allow one person to check his pulse? Okay. Everyone needs to leave the place alone.
Wait, you're emotional right now. Hey, leave him.
I know how to do
Thank you for your help.
No problem, sir.
I didn't know what was going on.
I know
Thank you.
you were a little bit.
Yeah.
So I was letting you take your time.
Yeah, thank
you.
you.
You don't want something to
No,
drink or
I'm
not?
all right. Yeah, I'm okay. I'm all right.
He hit me too.
Yeah, he knocked me out. He knocked me out.
He knocked you out?
Yeah, he knocked me out, man.
You need to go away. You go away.
Hey, no.
Listen, sir. Come on. Go away. We don't need another. Okay, well, you take your. I'm trying.
Come on, what are you locking me up for? What are you locking me up for? Sir, come over here and talk to me. Come over here and talk to me.
No,
relax.
what is he locking me up for?
Relax.
Crowd control is difficult, and one of the guests is refusing to move. A foolish choice, given everything that has happened, but tensions are running high, and many people react poorly to stress.
Because he's a fucking dick.
No, stop, please. Thank you. I came to thank you for helping me. All right, I came to thank you for helping me because you did. Thank you.
What are you locking me up for?
No. Relax.
My problem is, why is he confronting him?
I don't know.
He's calm. He's over here talking to you.
Right now, where's the ambulance at?
The ambulance is coming. Ambulance is coming. Ambulance is coming. It's coming. All right.
When are they coming?
CC. Go in.
Relax. Do me a favor.
I will.
We just gonna get the ambulance to come down here, right? Yeah, I'm okay. I'm just dazed. That's all. I'm good.
What you want to do, man?
Come on.
Go ahead and do it.
Stop.
Anything that happens from this point on,
please.
Your man did this.
Go ahead and do it.
Your man escalated this.
Please.
Go ahead and do what you want to do, or take a walk.
Please.
I gotta take a walk. Why?
Please, sir.
Why? I gotta take a walk.
Please.
I gotta take a walk. Why?
Please, sir.
Why?
Please. Thank you.
Come on. Why? I gotta take a walk, murderer?
Please, sir.
Come on.
Please, sir. Thank you. Please, sir. Please.
I'm going to surprise you. You all right, man?
Yeah.
Why you ain't tasing? I did tase you.
Sir.
I did tase you. I seen the whole thing. I understand what happened to you. I understand what happened. Listen, I understand what happened. Stop worrying about us. Get your fucking man. Get your fucking man.
Everything's cool, bro.
You just came to me like that. I understand what happened. Get your fucking man.
Everything's cool. Everything's cool.
It ain't cool.
No. But you know what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying.
It ain't cool.
Me and you've been okay.
Get your man, though, bro.
Why you think I'm over here talking to you?
Get your man.
You came and helped me, all right? Thank you, okay? All right?
Because this is not that serious. Like, come on.
All right.
I'm crazy for no reason.
All right. How you doing?
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm all right. I'm just a little dazed. I'm trying to keep my. I don't want to leave.
I want you to stay
right
here. Don't go any
all
closer
right.
right now. Just
okay. Yeah.
Go away, okay?
All right. Gotcha.
Morning, 7 headquarters. We have FD on the way.
That's going in.
Hey.
Well, you want to start it where?
No, let him do it.
Okay.
Take this whole area off now.
All right.
Anybody who's not providing first aid, get them out.
You hurt? You good?
I know he hit me in the back of my head.
Yeah.
I started seeing stars. I went
that's
down.
that's what happened. I went down too. Yeah.
I was on my back and I fired because he was going to knock me out, man.
Thank you.
He was going to knock me out.
Yeah. Oh, he already knocked me out. So you were the second one. Huh? Well, what we need to do is we need to clear the scene so that everything can come in here. That's all.
Family gone.
Okay. Yeah, we can clear the scene right now.
Off the sidewalk, but you're not going to get the family gone.
Okay.
Don't worry about it. We're coming.
All right, yeah.
Inside, please.
Regardless, this is how y'all show up to a wedding reception. This how y'all show up to a wedding reception.
What's up, man?
You good?
Yeah, I'm all right.
We gotta give them space.
We gotta give them space to work. That's the only thing. Okay, I got you.
Let her sit there.
Okay, all right. If you can help us get everybody inside, that'd be a big help.
Hey, back inside. Back inside. This is a crime scene. Back inside.
Do me a favor. Can I ask you something? If you want to do that, can you do that over there? Can you do that over there for me, please? Can you do that over there?
That man just shot him in front of his kids.
Yo, can you do that over there, please? Can you do that over there? 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 I'm all right. Inside, please. Just inside, okay?
Inside. You can record from inside.
Ma'am, if you can just record from inside.
That's our brother. That's our brother.
Okay.
Show how overly aggressive this dude is.
Huh?
Come on,
All right, okay.
Please, they're not working on him.
The officer continues to move people away from the scene while they wait for the ambulance to arrive. Daniel Knight was taken to the hospital, where he was pronounced dead. Knight's family was shocked by the events of his death and maintained that the police were lying. They claimed that Knight had not been bothering anyone and that he didn't attack the officer. The officers involved in the shooting were placed on desk duty, and the incident is still under investigation.